Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick update on Bitcoin. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Bitcoin has been overall bullish, making big impulse movements, pushing higher, flat correction phases, big impulse correction, and we are currently in the making of the third impulse after rejecting the 38k. However, even though we broke above the 50k round number and significant psychological level, we are still inside this big resistance. So in my opinion, for the bulls to remain in control, we would like to see a break above the upper bound of this big orange channel and the 53k 52,300. Once we have this aggressive break, price would invalidate this entire zone and will be able to push higher. In this case, we'll be expecting further bullish movement to complete the impulse and then correction movements just like this around this area before pushing higher till around the all-time high, which is also a supply zone. Anyway, if you zoom into daily time frame, as I showed you previously, we are currently in the making of this impulse movement from a medium-term perspective. And if you zoom into H4 time frame, you can see all my last three analysis. First, we're waiting for a break above the zone, and then we expected the bulls to push higher till the 4850k, and then when we push inside it, I have mentioned that will be bullish unless we break below this 47,500, which didn't happen. Instead, we kept on trading higher. Currently, as mentioned, around the upper bound of the channel. If you zoom into H1 time frame from a medium term perspective or a short term one, because as you can see from a medium term perspective, trading inside this rising one, on H1 time frame, we're trading inside this rising broadening wedge, as you can see in red. That's why this zone is a massive rejection area, which is the intersection of the upper red trend line, upper orange trend line, and the 52,300 to 53k. So it's a big, massive resistance zone. That's why we might be expecting a correction movement around the 50k round number again. Of course, for it to be confirmed, we need to see a break below these lows. Once we have this break, just like previously here, we'll be expecting a sharp correction movement around the zone, and then we'll be able to push again. Of course, on the other hand, if you break below this entire zone, in this case, we'll be expecting a deeper correction movement to around the 45 demand zone, which we can clearly see here from daily time frame. But let's take it step by step. We will remain overall bullish unless we break below this. Short-term bears will take over and push to the lower band. Meanwhile, we can set it higher and higher, and if you break above this entire zone to invalidate it, expect parabolic movement upward. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.